What's up, guys? It's Ashby and welcome back to my TV. So today I did my very first wig review and I did Outre hair, Outre lace front in the style Isla. And I think I did pretty good. Okay, like look at this. Look at this. Look at this wig. Like, and then y'all, it's synthetic. Like fake. Like not real. Like fake AF. Okay? So for it to be like that, I think that is looking pretty good because you can't even tell that it's not real, okay? And subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and keep watching so you can see how I got this realistic synthetic wig look, okay?
Back up in the stage, I see the fakeness with my eyes. Tell me that they love me, know they hating in disguise. Find it hard.
Okay. I'm gonna be honest, y'all. I'll be so honest. So it says that it comes pre-plucked. I wish I could imagine this times 1,000. Like, I'm plucking hair all night trying to get the little bit of baby hairs that I did get. And I mean, you're gonna see in the video, I was kind of struggling with the baby hairs. I mean, these YouTubers that just be slaying the baby hairs, they just be, I mean, like, dang, y'all are good. Cause baby, I was struggling, okay? Like, I was struggling. So just keep watching this video and you'll see how I got this synthetic wig. Oh, and I forgot to tell you the price. Baby, I got this look for only $35. 35. And even though I struggle with the hairline, I'll do it again because it was 35. Okay? So keep watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I kind of want to hear from y'all though, like, have y'all ever done a synthetic wig? Because this is my first one. So if y'all have a good one that y'all want me to try, or just a good one that you've used, because I will try it anyway, just put it in the description box below and keep watching this video. They said that the wig came pre-plucked, but it didn't really come pre-plucked. And cause it's synthetic, it was like super full in the front. So I'm like plucking my life away and it still didn't make no difference. So I'm like, forget it. At this point, it is what it is. We finna just rock with what we rocking with. I already been playing with it and stuff. And the construction looks like this. So it's 3 combs. 2 in the back, 1 in the front. It's the side part. But yeah, so I was trying to pluck it already and stuff. I went ahead and cut the hairline off camera because I be real nervous about stuff like that.
You crazy for this one.
I got Serena on my neck, yeah, that's a tennis chain. And they calling me Serena cause I kill a game. Shorty blowing up my phone, I know she for the fame. But I never changed, I'll always stay the same. Please don't try to be for me, your lyrics are not up to par. Your girlfriend wanna date me cause I'm finna be a star. I hop up in the coupe and do the dash, I'm going far. Don't say that you're my homie cause I don't know who you are. 30 for a show, my splitter with the bro. They say I'm ballin' like a piston, yeah, I'm going pro. Like a bakery, you know that I got lots of dough. I need a wifey so I can get with a hoe. I can kick her with a hoe, girl. She said she love me but she out, girl. She dancing on me like a show, girl. She taught me up until my toes, girl. She told me, baby, it's your world, and I just live here. I might not get boyfriend now cause I don't give fear. I said I was the best and it fell right there on them deaf ears. But now I'm at the top, they like how did I get here? I'm cruising in the IA.
full this is. Like, you're telling me it's pre-plucked, but I got a whole wad of hair at my hairline. So I'm just like, what? But it's okay, because you could just customize it to how you want it to be. And that's what I'm gonna do. Because, baby, this is too much hair, okay?
Rolling off at a high rate. No bad door, I might just sneak you in right through the side gate. Rolling on my wrist, but please don't worry about why I'm late. Jedi taking over, I'm the new king of the tri-state. For this life was chosen, I just catching a Cuban link. My neck's cold that it's frozen. On the bond like Saddam Hussein, just sit and wait for the explosion. I'm driving so fast that the state police can get stolen. Ballin' hard, DeRozan, got numerals like I'm Roman. I just touched down at LAX. Her boyfriend wanna beat me cause his lady gave me sex. I know that she a thought he sent them nudies through the text. I'm causing all these problems cause I don't care for a fact. I got Serena on my neck, yeah, that's a tennis chain. And they calling me Serena cause I kill a game. Shorty blowing up my phone, I know she for the fame. But I'll never change, I'll always stay the same. Please don't try to be for me, your lyrics are not up to par. Your girlfriend wanna date me cause I'm finna be a star. I hop up in the coupe and do the dash, I'm going far. Don't say that you my homie cause I don't know who you are. I got Serena on my neck, yeah, that's a tennis chain. And they calling me Serena cause I kill a game. Shorty blowing up my phone, I know she for the fame. But I never changed, I'll always stay the same. Please don't try to be for me, your lyrics are not up to par. Your girlfriend wanna date me cause I'm finna be a star. I hop up in the coupe and do the dash, I'm going far. Don't say that you my homie cause I don't know who you are.
You crazy for this one.
Hey, yeah. I just gonna come on that bit, no hook. Straight like that, yeah. Yeah. Don't need a flat like to show all my diamonds. All of my niggas, you know they be wildin'. Won't take my bay on the cruise to the islands. Can't fuck with these niggas, you know that they playin'. I told my mom I'm about a homo. Remember them times I was stuck in the summer, tryna make it, tryna run up some commas. For all of that shit, I could blow like a bummer. She told me I'm good, I gotta stay humble. I cannot fall, I cannot fumble. Be eating niggas like it's Royal Rumble. Squeezing the trigger like cookies, they crumble. Greatest you sweet, but you know I'm not playing. Beat on that pussy like I'm in the band. Baby, come here while you call on your friends. What would you saying, baby? I'm your man. My shooters do shit like it's gonna stand. They with no weapons, yeah, Pakistan. They tell me don't say it, but pull on your pants. Shut the fuck up, I'm getting banned. Doing this shit for the people that hate it. I fall blessed, so you know that I'm facing. I look at the trees, that's the green that I'm chasing. I stay on my own lane, you know that I'm pacing. She that panoramic, she dance on the dick. Taking it back like it was a pit sit. My dog in the pen, he got something to say. I just might take me a trip to LA to fuck on them bitches that live out their way. Fuck on that pussy, she know I don't play. I get to the money, it's every day. Look up the shit, it's like every way. Boy, you not gang, you cannot hang. Remember them times they thought I was lame. Yeah, that's a shame. Yeah, slack, wipe it here, no. You hang with the Austin, I heard that you told. You was my bro, why did you fold? I just might go get a protect. I just might fit through the sex. I just might fall on the best. Yeah, I just might re-rock them diamonds. These niggas be talking, these niggas not scheming. Just look at the way that my diamonds be beaming. When I shoot at these niggas, you know that they scheming. Can't fuck with these hoes and I come to your show. Fucking these bitches out there, little show. Niggas don't get it by nut on her toes. Can't fuck with these bitches, I had let it go. I might store it, these bitches, the story these niggas. Niggas be talking, these niggas be bitches. These biggie be bitches, these niggas be bitches. Can't fuck with these bitches, these niggas so snitches. These niggas don't get it, these snitches get stitches. Might fuck on your hoe. I just might go to the store. I just might buy me a bag. I just might fit through your sad. Nigga, why you be talking, you calling your dad. But you was scared, but you kinda fake. Look at that way that my body.
And that's it, y'all. That's what we got. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I hope that you guys subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more content because there's a lot more on the way. Bye.
Truth be told, cause I'm the prize. Let me tell you something true, girl. Rock with me, I'll show you a brand new